In this exercise, we'll add and organize some content with asset libraries in Liferay DXP 7.4. Our objectives for this exercise are as follows. We will create 2 new asset libraries for the Marvin Robotics platform, add content to the asset libraries, and create a new document type. Our exercise steps are as follows. We will create the product assets asset library, connect the asset library to the Marvin Robotics sites, add images to the product assets library, create the technical documents asset library, connect the asset library to the Marvin Robotics sites, add documents to the technical documents library, create a new document type in the technical documents library, and finally, add a new document using the new document type. There are also a few bonus exercises for this section. Add another asset library for marketing. Connect it to only the main Marvin Robotics site. Add a document type for order forms in the product assets asset library. We won't cover these in this video, but feel free to complete them on your own when you've completed the main exercise steps. Before we start, make sure you have your Liferay instance set up with some basic configuration. If you have not set it up yet, take a moment to pause the video and do so. You can reference the Liferay Foundation's Introduction to Liferay DXP course for more information on starting your instance. You'll also want to be sure to create both the Marvin Robotics main site and the Marvin Robotics store site for which you will use the minimum site accelerator. For any questions about the accelerator or activating Liferay Commerce, be sure to check out the documentation at learn.liferay.com. Sign in to Liferay as an administrator. This should be test@marvinrobotics.com if you follow the basic configuration guidelines. Open the global menu. Make sure you're on the Applications tab, and under Content, click Asset Libraries. Click the Add icon on the top right, and type Product Assets for the name. Now, type Marvin Robotics Asset Library for Product Assets as the description. Scroll down and click Save at the bottom. Next, we'll connect our asset library to the Marvin Robotics sites. Click the Sites tab on the left. Click the Add button next to Connected Sites. Click on All Sites. Now click on Marvin Robotics. Click the Add button again next to Connected Sites. Click All Sites. Then click the Marvin Robotics store. Now we'll add some images to our Product Assets asset library. Click the back icon at the top beside Product Assets to view all asset libraries. Click Product Assets to view the asset library. Select Documents and Media under the Content and Data section. Click the Add icon at the top right. Choose Multiple Files Upload. Click Select Files and locate the Product Images folder you unzipped at the start of the module. Select all images. Now click Open. You can also drag and drop the files you want into the Drop Files Here to Upload box. Click the Publish button in the right column. Next, we will create another asset library, but this time for technical documents. Open the global menu and go to the Content section under the Applications tab and click Asset Libraries. Click the Add icon at the top right, then type Technical Documents for the name, then click Save. Type Marvin Robotics Asset Library for Technical Documents as the description, then scroll down to the bottom and hit Save. At this point, we will connect our newly created asset library to the Marvin Robotics sites. Click the Sites tab at the left. Click the Add button next to Connected Sites. Go to All Sites and choose Marvin Robotics. Now click the Add button next to Connected Sites again. Click All Sites and choose Marvin Robotics Store. Next, we will add some documents to our Technical Documents asset library. Click the back icon at the top beside Technical Documents to view all asset libraries. Click Technical Documents to view the asset library. Select Documents and Media under the Content and Data section. Click the Add icon to the top right. Choose Multiple Files Upload. Click Select Files, then locate the Technical Documents folder you unzipped at the start of the module. Select all documents. Again, you can also drag and drop the files you want into the Drop Files Here to Upload box. Click the Publish button in the right column. Now we'll create a new document type for Marvin Robotics Technical Guides. Click the Document Types tab next to the right of Files. Click the Add button at the right. Type Technical Guides for the name. Drop a Select from List field onto the page. Type Guide format for the label. Then type Video, Photo, Text, then Diagram as the 4 options. Click the back arrow beside Select from List to go back to the Builder menu. Drop a text field below the Guide format field. Type Language (S) for the label. Click the back arrow. Now drop a date field onto the page. Type Date created for the label. Click the toggle beside Required field to make it a required field. Now click Save in the top right corner. Finally, we will add a new document using our newly created document type. Click the Files tab. Click the Add button at the top right. Choose Technical Guides. Click Select File. Choose TS2-100 guide.pdf from your exercise folder, and click Open. Choose Text under the Guide Format drop-down menu. Type English in the Languages field. Then, select today's date as the date created. Then go ahead and click Publish. Congratulations! You've successfully created and organized content with asset libraries in LifeRay DXP.